Hi. So this is a quick walkthrough of using Archie AI for PR review. We'll cover how to set up Archie AI for your repository and a couple of tips on how to get best advantage of it. So this is the RCA website. You will click try now to go to the website, and there you have to go to the PR review page. Now we provide bunch of features including explain how can you make a code commit, but we'll focus on this about PR review. The step one for you is to connect a repository, for which here you can connect either a GitLab repository or a GitHub repository. I'll demo for GitHub. So in this case, you click to configure GitHub if we have already connected, which was in my case. I have added these repositories, but I can select more from here if I need to. So once I do that, these repositories will be visible here. And for the repository that you want to add, you can just select here, select the configuration, and then click add configure. I have already added those, so these will reflect here. So I can walk through some of the configuration parameter here. For example, review every PR open is that for every PR that opens up, we will automatically review. Similarly, if this is enabled, we will automatically add summary and title. We'll keep and retain the author's description, but add on top of it. There is an inline code suggestion that will offer if you enable it, and then there are similar other suggestions. It also says that if there are these prefix, then we will not review it. If there is a bot generated PR, then again we'll ignore it. So idea of these features is that we reduce the noise that is on the PR, so that you just get high quality reviews, and we leave your bot generated PRs or PRs which are in work in progress as is, and not touch it. So this is the setup. Once you are done with the setup, you come to the PR page, and so this is a previous PR, for example, and what I could do is take a PR where there has been review already generated. So for this PR, for example, review was already generated. The review is generally of the three buckets, and logical error analysis, test coverage, security, and then we also add labels and code suggestion. Let me give you a live review here. So I'll just add the base repo. I'll pick commit that I know, branch that I know, and I'll merge it. So as soon as I merge, the webhook goes to Archie AI, and now you can see this eye icon that we have started looking into this PR. We will analyze the diff, generate the result, and get back. There are also some checks built in Archie AI. For example, if there's a very small sort of change, then it will just do LGTM and not go through the whole review, so that it does not waste your time. So this is the review that came. It generated the what are some logical errors, uh, that possible logical errors. For example, result variable is used before it's defined, which is pretty interesting, and could be a potential error. And if there are any security error, which in this case is a hard-coded issue, and it's analyzing the code at this point. Now, this is what our automated review, but you could also, for example, say help and get other kind of help on the PR. So in this case, once I added help, it will start looking into, and these are the commands. So I can put RCI ask and put a question for RCI to answer question about the PR. I can put just describe or slash describe to describe the PR. I can get complete and incremental review. So after the PR is open, there could be more commits, comments, and complete review takes the whole context of PR and reviews it, while incremental review just focuses on the new part of the PR since it was opened to review. So this is some features. One other feature that I wanted, in fact, two other features that I want to talk about more. One is that when you are setting the PR, there is this additional instruction which can be really helpful for you. So depending on your organization policy, you can write things like don't use always flag if there are new libraries being used, or if there are log statement not rightly used, or some organization principles that you have, you can put it here, and RCI will take that into account when reviewing. And the second thing is that how do you measure the productivity, that your productivity has improved with using this technology? So you can use our analytics dashboard here, which reviews that how many PRs are opened each month, how much our average number of comments, how much time it takes to make to merge and all other. So this is a nice dashboard where you could analyze like who is contributing what. Uh, this repository is not installed yet, and who are the main authors and all. So this is the quick review of the feature. Let me know what you find helpful and feel free to ask any questions.